Let me play for a second. You can do yours.
We really should have prepared for this.
What?
Am I first?
Oh, yeah. Hello, guys. Bike check. Rock going, yeah.
Brad Blair.
Fresh Prince of Bel-Air.
Okay, well.
Bike checks. He's gonna do his while I play
We'll
skate.
play your bike now.
Dude, I'm gonna die.
Oh, turn that down.
Where's the remote, bro?
Or just don't play.
I don't want to play, man.
Sorry about this guy.
Technical difficulties? Okay, there you go, bro. My friend browsing with his bike check while I play skate, so
Okay, starting at the top.
now we here.
We started at the top. Okay. I got Odyssey Aaron Ross grips, keyboard with the Odyssey bar ends that came with them. I got We the People bars, 8.5 rise, 27 long. Sunday Freeze top loaded stem.
27 long.
27 wide, sorry. My mistake. 27 wide. Okay, shut the fuck up. It wasn't that funny. Okay, anyways. We the People are...
27 long.
Okay, I'm restarting this video.
Keep going. I mean, like, continue.
Okay, I'm restarting.
Continue, man. Continue. It's all good.
Holy fuck.
It's good, brother.
No, it's not. Okay. 2012 We the People arcade frame. Salt headset. We the People forks. I got Salt 2.30 in the front, 2.125 in the back. Gray wall with Salt high Q double ball rims. And then I got a Salt C clamp with a Odyssey Aaron Ross keyboard seat with the Odyssey post. And then I got a Salt 25 tooth sprocket in the front, 9 tooth in the
In the
back.
front, there's only one. Oh.
You idiot. And
Shut
then
up, man. You're ugly.
Salt crank with E-clap pedals. And then with Salt hubs. I think that's everything.
Tubes.
Who cares about my fucking tubes?
Everybody.
I spent
How many-
over $500 on both tubes. It's true. No, but
I've been rocking the same tubes for like the past 35
I got
years.
this bike this year.
You didn't?
Yeah, I did.
Oh. It looks like this one's freaking 80 years ago.
Okay, fuck off. We got a 2010 frame, bud.
The rest of my part just
Get real.
yeah, real.
It's all black, so I try to customize it with stickers as much as I could.
You know what we're gonna do?
What the
After I'm done my bike check, you guys comment whose bike's nicer.
Okay. Word. Not just nicer, and performance-wise also, who thinks
Who's
is
better
better?
parts and stuff.
Well, I mean, you have better parts because you have more, like, variety. I just have all salt.
Here we go.
Stop. What?
Anyways, okay. Got ODI extra long grips in black. S&M hotter bars, 9-inch rise, 29 wide. Fit.
No long. 29 long.
It's not long. Okay. Oh.
That was loud.
Okay. Fit bike, top load, stem, and raw. With Sunday red forks. With Stolen Tanwell 2.30. With Odyssey Odyssey Quadrant rims, black with orange hub. Pretty sick. Odyssey hubs too. Okay. I got a Fit Bike PRK2 frame, 2010. Brad.
Rookies.
Rickies. Sick. Anyways. Then I got Sunday C clamp, McNeil C post, United fat seat, stolen thermalights, Subrosa stock cranks, Chase Hawk 28 tooth, and some random black chain. Same on the side. Stolen bottom bracket with red combs. Fit Bike tan wall 2.3 in the back with another Odyssey Quadrant black with orange hub Odyssey hub. And yeah, now we'll talk about some stuff. Pause your little game there. We both ride at Timmins, Ontario Skate Park in South Porcupine.
I've been riding, this is my second year.
This is my, oh, want to tighten that?
Yeah, I got it.
This is my third year. Can you turn it?
What?
Can you turn like the part that screws on?
Yeah. I gotta tighten it.
Okay, sick.
What's your best trick?
Best trick, I would say maybe chuck out of the bowl.
Yeah, that's sick.
360 bar out of the bowl.
My best trick is 180 whip out to cab.
Oh yeah, out of the bowl.
Yeah.
Okay, to like half cab up.
Yeah.
Or full cab.
Well, if I'm lucky, I could get my full cab, but I'm not that good at it.
Surprisingly, I can do chucks. I learned bars like 2 weeks ago when I learned how to do chucks, so it's pretty sick. I learned how to tilt like 5 days ago. Never could get them, but just started getting them.
By the way, he's like 5'7", I'm like 6'3", so.
Yeah, I'm pretty tall.
Just in case you guys been wondering how tall I was.
You think Michael
So,
Jordan?
just to get a better view of our bikes. This is his. The only thing I like more is his rims. Those are sick rims.
I have sick parts too.
It's fucking dark, you can't even see anything. And then my bike is just all black. You can kind of see my gray wall tires.
It's like a ninja.
I love these grips, they're so fucking comfy. Nice little seat.
Then get a picture of both of us. So I'd like put up.